Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with HP Victus 15 gaming laptop launched with AI powered performance. Apple will introduce AI features in Vision Pro with Vision OS 2.4. Adobe launches Firefly video model to compete with OpenAI Sora. MiFi launches Storm 1100X SSD in India, priced at Rs 12,999. Spotify's hi-fi music streaming expected to launch in 2025. OnePlus 13 mini leaks reveal compact battery design with 6000 mAh battery. Vivo V50 pre-booking opens with exciting launch offers. In the previous quiz, we asked you who is the CEO of HP, and the answer is Enric Loris. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: which company makes the iPhone? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Let's start with the first news. HP has introduced the Victus 15 gaming laptop in India, featuring AI-enhanced performance powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 Hawk Point 8945HS NPU processor. Available in Atmosphere Blue, the laptop is priced at Rs 1,12,990 on Amazon. Buyers can get a 3-month Xbox Game Pass subscription. According to Vineet Gehani, HP's India's senior director, the Victus 15 delivers high-end AI capabilities, superior graphics, and improved thermal management, ensuring an enhanced gaming experience for both casual and competitive gamers. The AI-powered processor optimizes gameplay by adding user behavior, enhanced speed and efficiency. Now, with powerful graphics and immersive visuals, the laptop is designed to provide seamless gaming. HP aims to redefine gaming experience with this next-gen AI gaming laptop, offering cutting-edge features that cater to modern gamers' evolving needs. Now, Apple is set to enhance the Vision Pro headset with AI-powered features through the Vision OS 2.4 update expected in April 2025. The update will introduce writing tools, Genmojis, and the Image Playground app, expanding Apple Intelligence beyond iPhones, iPads, and Macs. A new spatial content app will allow users to view 3D images and panoramas with external sources, addressing the current lack of optimized content for Vision Pro. Additionally, Apple is revamping guest mode, making it easier for multiple users to share the headset via iPhone setting. The update comes as Google unveils its Android XR operating system with Gemini AI capabilities, and Samsung prepares to launch its first Android XR headset. However, major improvements to Siri have been delayed due to engineering challenges. Apple's move signals a step towards integrating AI into mixed reality and enhancing the user experience on its $3,500 headset. Now, Adobe has introduced the Firefly video model, an AI tool designed for professional video editors and filmmakers. Unlike competitors like OpenAI Sora, Firefly generates high-resolution 5-second video clips tailored for production. Firefly seamlessly integrates with Adobe Creative Cloud, allowing users to enhance video production with AI-generated effects like snow or fog. It also includes additional tools like scene-to-image and AI-powered translation, making it a versatile option for content creators. Adobe's entry into AI video generation challenges existing players, including OpenAI and Startup Runway, offering a unique blend of professional-grade AI tools. While Firefly generates shorter clips than Sora, Adobe claims that this aligns with industry standards for production-focused content. With AI-powered video tools becoming a key battleground, Adobe's Firefly video model could redefine AI-assisted filmmaking by offering high-quality, efficient content creation. Now, MiFi, a joint venture between Micromax and Taiwanese company Fission, has launched its first consumer product, the Storm 1100X external SSD in India. The 1 TB variant is priced at Rs 12,999 and is available on Amazon, with the 2 TB version coming soon. The Storm 1100X SSD is designed for creators, gamers, and professionals, offering a sequential read speed of Rs 1100 MB per second and write speed of 1000 MB per second. It features USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with 10 Gbps transfer speed, ensuring fast and efficient data transfer. The SSD is built for durability with 2-meter drop protection, LDPC ECC error correction, and built-in thermal sensor to optimize temperature. It can withstand external temperature of minus 40 degrees Celsius to 87 degrees Celsius and is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. According to MiFi COO Prasad Balakrishnan, the Storm 1100X is designed to deliver speed, security, and rugged durability, providing users with a reliable portable storage solution. After nearly 4 years of anticipation, Spotify is reportedly finalizing its hi-fi audio streaming service. Set to compete with Apple Music, Amazon Music, and Tidal, the hi-fi tier expected to be named as Music Pro could cost an additional $6 per month, increasing the total subscription price to $18. Unlike Apple Music, which offers lossless streaming with no extra cost, Spotify plans to bundle exclusive features like song remixing and concert ticket discount to justify the price. The company has also signed multi-year licensing agreements with Warner Music Group and Universal Music Group, securing future streaming rights. These deals hint at additional perks like priority access to deluxe content, early music releases, and artist question and answer session. While Spotify has taken longer than expected, its hi-fi launch in 2025 could mark a major step forward in premium music streaming. Now, OnePlus is reportedly working on the OnePlus 13 Mini, a compact yet powerful smartphone expected to launch in India. Unlike the 6.82-inch OnePlus 13, the Mini version may feature a 6.3-inch bezel-less LTPO OLED display with 1.5K resolution. The biggest highlight is its massive 6000 mAh battery, which promises all-day usage on a single charger. It is ideal for streaming, gaming, and browsing, reducing the need for frequent charging. According to leaks, the OnePlus 13 Mini will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring flagship-level performance. It is also expected to feature a 50MP primary camera for high-quality photography. If the leaks are accurate, OnePlus and Oppo could launch multiple smartphones with 6000 plus mAh batteries in late 2025, making long battery life a new standard for the industry. The OnePlus 13 Mini is set to cater users who prefer compact yet high-powerful smartphones. Now, Vivo has opened pre-bookings for its latest smartphone, the Vivo V50. Available on its official website, Amazon, Flipkart, and offline stores like Chroma and Reliance Digital, open sales will begin on February 25, 2025. Buyers can avail discount of up to Rs 10% with HDFC and SBI cards and an additional exchange bonus. Vivo is also offering its TWS3E earbuds at Rs 1,499 with the purchase. The Vivo V50 stands out with its dual 50MP Zeiss co-engineered rear cameras, offering OIS and unique portrait modes like Sign, Flare, and Wedding Style. It also features a 50MP AI-powered front camera. The phone runs on Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15, bringing AI-powered tools like live call translation and AI transcript assist. Powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, it supports a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a 6000 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging and an IP68+69 rating for durability. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.